Interest expense, accrued interest and loan. At 30 June 20X4, a company had $2 million 10% loan notes in issue, interest being paid half yearly on 30 June and 31 December. On 30 September 20X4, the company redeemed $500,000 of these loan notes at par, paying interest due to that date. On 1 April 20X5, the company issued 1 million 9% loan notes, interest payable half yearly on 31 March and 30 September. What figure should appear in the company's statement of profit or loss for interest payable in the year ended 30 June 20X5? Answer: July-September. 2 million times 10% times 3/12, $50,000. October-June. 1,500,000 times 10% times 6/12, $112,500. April-June. 1 million times 9% times 3/12, $22,500. Interest expense, $185,000. Journal entry: 30 September 20X4. Debit loan, $500,000. Debit interest expense, $50,000. Credit cash, $550,000. 1 April 20X5. Debit cash, $1 million. Credit loan, $1 million. 30 June. Debit interest expense, $112,500 plus $22,500, $135,000. Credit cash, $112,000. Credit accrued interest, $22,500.